till now we have been seeing how to catch an error, but now let us see how we can actually throw an error. So let me create a new file right over here. This is going to be my find Zohan part2.py, and let me copy and paste all of this code from here. Now let's get working on this file. Now since I am not catching any errors, I don't require this try and else blocks. So let me take it out. Now if we can't find the name inside the list of friends, at that time we want to raise an error. So we can say that we can't find the given value. That means we can raise a value error. Here we can say if the name is not inside my list of friends, then I can raise an error, and I can raise a value error, and I can also give a custom message saying that the name is not found. And we can also say else in case we find the match, we can simply print it out. We can say found and followed by the name. So let me save it and let me try and run this file. So the first time we have a match, so our program will not panic, but the second time we don't have a match and our program will panic with a value error. So let's see that in action, and here we have it. The first time we could find a match, so we have an output, but for the second time our program panicked and it threw the value error, which you can see right over here. So we have a value error followed by our message saying that Sarah is not found. Well, this brings us to the end of this section as well. If you want to learn more about errors, you can go to this link. So this is all of the files from GitHub. Go inside this folder error handling and go to this file readme. I have put up a reference right over here. You can visit this link to learn more about errors. That's it for this one, and I will catch you in the next section.